Can you think of anyone that bounces around from idea to idea, project to project, or even industry to industry? It's like being a self-regulated Sisyphus. You're just pushing and pushing, pushing and pushing, bouncing from one thing to the next. Momentum. Momentum is the key. But most people spend it all on the start or constantly restarting. It being time, money, energy, resources. People work so hard to get something going, but quickly give up when it's time to keep it going. The start isn't enough. The initial push isn't enough.
Do I ever feel like Sisyphus? Been waiting for people to start saying like, oh, you put another picture of the sweat and of a squat rack? Really? I've been getting on that squat rack and grinding it out for 25 years. And I'm not bored with it yet. Getting that rock to the top of the mountain, that's not what my goal is. My goal actually is pushing the rock.
Momentum is created by doing the right things, not by doing more things. And momentum is the key to success and making that success look easy and feel easy. So whether it's about getting out of debt, becoming healthier, becoming more fit, succeeding in our real estate business, or being real estate investors, we've just come to realize how important, how significant momentum truly is. Here's what you can do to create and sustain momentum. Number one, take steps in sequence. For most things, the order in which you take the steps is even more important than the steps you take. Example, you go for a hike in the woods. Now you realize, hey, it might be nice to have a map out here. Another example, you're trying to do a complex math problem. Without the correct sequence, there's no way you're coming up with the right answer. Number two, start smaller. First, discover what works, what's really wanted before you actually spend your resources. You know, that time, energy, and money stuff. Before you're fully committed to building out something or to a specific path or investment. We also call this start where you can start, or being agile. Test your idea, test your project, test your premise. Number three, double down. Once you know what works, stay there. Triple down, quadruple down. You're playing with house money now, and a bunch of other metaphors. Or maybe that's an idiom. Don't give up on what works to start chasing something else. If you have an orange and you squeeze it and juice is coming out, keep squeezing. Don't go find another orange. At least not yet. Number four, create quick and early wins. Victories inspire. Allow yourself to have them by setting goals that you can achieve and achieve quickly. Don't get stuck here though. It's not fun to play the first level of Super Mario over and over again. Even if you do master that level, you're not actually progressing. Also, creating a game that you can't win, it's just weird and cruel, especially since it's your game and you're really the only one playing it. And finally, number five, celebrate your victories and enjoy your wins. Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you like it, be sure to check out my Facebook page, facebook.com/Darren Persinger page. It's where I share ideas to help small business owners, freelancers, and specifically those in the real estate industry.